It's me, Olivia. And I went to school today. How are you? Well.
Who's that sitting with you?
Miles.
Huh? What's he doing?
He's just... he's saying the words right now.
He is? What words did he say?
He's saying, I love you.
Did he say, I love you to Nana?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Miles, what did you say? Look up at Mama. Look up here. Miles, hi, buddy. Did you say get well soon, Nana? Yeah? What did you do today, Olivia?
I went to school.
You did?
Yes, I went to playgroup.
Yeah? And how was it?
Good.
Did you play with your friends?
Yeah.
And you had fun?
Like, Danny wasn't there.
Danny wasn't there.
No. Mia was.
Mia was there?
Yeah.
Oh, good. And what's your favorite color, Olivia?
Orange and blue.
Orange and blue. And what do you think Miles' favorite color is?
Blue and orange.
Really?
Yeah.
And do you remember Nana's favorite color?
Blue.
Yeah. And where is Nana right now?
At the hospital.
Oh my goodness. Bless you.
Did you hear that, Nana?
Did you hear that, Nana? That was a sneeze. And how come...
That was a cough.
Oh, it was? And how come Nana's at the hospital? What is she having fixed?
Her head is hurting.
Yeah? And she got it all fixed? Yeah? Oh, good.
Her had 2 knees broken before.
She had her knees, yep, and she got them fixed, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Yay! Okay. We'll see you soon, Nana.
I forgot to tell something else.
Okay.
I got you a present.
Ah.
I kept them in half.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're in my parents' house.
Oh yeah.
So they're
Whoops. Can you push him back? There you go. Thank you. Okay. We'll talk with you soon, Nana.
Bye, Nana. I love you.
That was Miles saying I love you.
I'll give you a kiss.
So big. You gonna give Nana a kiss?
I see a rainbow. Can you see Miles?
I can see Miles. Miles, would you like to say goodbye also? Say bye, Nana.
I want to see him. Hi, Miles.
Bye, Nana. I love you.
Say